Warm wishes to you all. This is Kandar Prabhu from Aurobindo Realty. I extend my heartfelt wishes to each and every one of you. The beginning of monsoon season, I hope that you are relishing the pleasant weather in Hyderabad.
Today, I take the opportunity to give you a detailed construction update about the architectural marvel of high-tech city, the Pearl, as on 30th June 2023.
We are happy to share that the construction work is progressing according to the schedule. The 414 single-floor, single-sky mansions offers 4 BHK plus home office plus home theatre and a private balconies for every room. The unique concept of residence-free ground floors with naturally lit basement areas enables you to experience royal living. We are thrilled to share that the Phase 1 works are advancing well. Updating about the Belon Tower, the construction progress of the first floor structures has reached an impressive progress of 70%, while the initial installation of Maivan walls is still underway. Talking about Stellar Tower, the construction progress of the first floor structures is completed by 70%, while the initial setting of Maivan walls is a work in progress. Now coming to the Wellfleet Tower, the ground floor has been completed by 100%. Meanwhile, the construction of walls from the ground floor to the first floor is work in progress. Talking about the Pelican Tower, the casting works for the basement 1 slab have been completed by 100%. As far as ground floor slab is concerned, it is completed by 70% with only pour 3 remaining. Hope this video helped you in understanding the current construction update about the project The Pearl. As we move forward, let's continue our timeless journey. Thank you so much.